Hi, my name is Dr. Lori Pash, and welcome to my explanation of Task 6 to help make your life a little bit easier as you work through this task. So, Task 6, the first part of it is you are going to pick a book. It doesn't necessarily matter what story it is, but pick a story and summarize it. And be sure to include the main idea, the context, the setting, and the characters of the story. After you summarize the story, think about some vocabulary words that students would need to know to comprehend the text. It's up to you how many you choose, but think about, again, what would they need to know? What would be difficult for them to understand when they read the text if they didn't know the meaning of certain words? When you list the vocabulary words they need to know, be sure to explain exactly how you would introduce this vocabulary to the students in your classroom. Be specific. After you do that, you're going to think about if you are going to teach this book in your class. You've introduced the vocabulary the students need to know. Now let's think about some questions that we could ask the students to help them comprehend and have a deeper understanding of the text. So you are going to think about 3 questions you could ask the students before they read the text to activate their prior knowledge, 3 questions you could ask them as you read the text with them, and then 3 questions you could ask them when they're done reading the text to encourage their reflection of the text and enhance their comprehension of the text. So 9 questions total, 3 before, 3 during, 3 after reading. So now that we have our questions, let's think about which category of Bloom's taxonomy they fit into. Here's a nice link I provide to you that provides some specific action verbs that you can use to help determine which category each one of your questions fit into. Please be careful not to include yes or no or one-word answer type questions. The graders will return it if the answer is only one word or a yes or a no. Again, these questions are to help enhance the student's comprehension and knowledge of the text, and generally a yes or no question just doesn't do that. So you may want to visit this Bloom's taxonomy first before developing your questions so that you can think about how to develop your questions around some categories of this Bloom's taxonomy. Identify the thinking level for each of the 9 questions that you identified in the previous part of this task. So that's all there is to task 6. I hope this helped explain it a little bit. After you do your summary, introduce the new vocabulary, and provide your 9 questions, there's a self-assessment for you to take in TaskStream. It's just a form you click on and go through and answer some questions and gives you a minute to reflect on this particular task. So don't forget to do that as well after you upload these couple Word documents that you need for the task. I am Dr. Lori Pash. I am willing and able to help answer any questions you have at any time. Dr. Kay Vandenberg is the other course mentor in this course, and she's also willing and able to help answer anything you need and help clarify anything you need. Please feel free to reach out to us at any time. Our shared inbox is teachinglanguagearts@wgu.edu. So we look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for listening.